So just go for it, and if you get stuck, we'll get some help from them. Alright? So you're going to start on the letter A.
Are you an old lady?
Blimey, a talking volcano!
Can't you see? I'm very much a talking volcano, correct?
Do I look like I was born yesterday? I know talking volcanoes don't exist.
Yes.
For argument's sake, what do you usually talk about?
Good question, that. Normally volcanoes.
How many other talking volcanoes are there?
What's next? I.
Is that normally the way you ask in an address a volcano?
Just answer my question, volcano. I'm very violent.
Klutz.
Let me get this right, you just call me a klutz.
Many times I call people klutz. I'm a volcano, and a rather rude one.
Not in a position to be rude, you, are you? Because you can't go anywhere.
Oh, I'm often rude.
Please stop insulting me.
Questions. Old women.
Really? That's where we're going with this conversation. You're bringing my age into it.
Sizzle you I will, with my molten lava.
To be fair, that would sizzle me, you're right.
Understandably, it will hurt.
Very much so, I would imagine.
Xylophone. Why didn't we join in?
W. What letter is he on, kids?
W.
Come on, Phil.
Why, what a smashing blouse.
X is all over it. That's like a kiss.
Zeds. Look like Zeds to me.
Kids, what's next? Why?
Yes, they do look like that.
Sounds they do.
I think you've made it. Do you think they deserve a round of applause? Oh my word.